This 1984 Moto Guzzi Le Mans is in the workshop today for an electronic ignition conversion, and isn't she a beauty? Hi, I'm Steve Kelly from TriSpark, and I'll be showing you how quick and easy it is to install the Compass electronic ignition. Let's head into the workshop and get started. Now that I had the bike in the shed and up on the lift, I've removed the petrol tank in order to gain access to the points distributor. The bike was running fine on points, so I referenced the timing marks that I needed on the flywheel from the points ignition. I rotated the engine around until the red set of points was just opening and looked for timing marks through the hole in the crankcase. I found the D mark was just below the opening, so I rotated the engine around to the fully advanced timing mark for the right-hand cylinder, which is 9 teeth above the D mark. And that's where I left it set for the rest of the TriSpark component installation. Once I had the crankshaft set the way that I wanted it, I then removed the points plate, condensers, and dismantled the auto advance unit by removing the points cam, springs, and bob weights. I needed to loosen off the 2 bolts that retain the distributor housing in order to rotate it around to gain access to the condenser screws. The ignition coil fits up under the top frame tube and connects to the red and the green wires that were originally going to the distributor. It's a double output coil that feeds both cylinders. I've removed the original coils and their brackets from their location behind the left-hand side cover, as this is where the TriSpark control box is now fitted. The wires that were originally connected to the ignition coils, the red, green, and 2 white wires, are now connected to the TriSpark control box according to the wiring diagram in the installation instructions. The brown and the blue wires connect to the brown and the blue wires in the cable going up to the sensor in the distributor on the other side of the engine. Wiring up the control box was quick and easy, with most of the wires plugging into existing connections on the bike. I've also installed the TriSpark pickup and triggering rotor into the distributor housing and aligned the parts according to the instructions. This will get the static timing close enough to start and run the bike. All I need to do now is fit the petrol tank and head back outside where I can check the timing with my timing light. Now that we have the electronic ignition fitted and timed correctly, the owner of this beautiful bike will have many years of easy starting and smooth running to look forward to. Let's fire it up and see how we went. And thanks for listening.